Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are gonna teach you how to be some more creative. So let's get started. Just grab all of your crafting materials together and just dive into the world of creativity. Get the cutouts of your hand and then put a grass below, and here you have to get the layered colored sheets in this way and then just roll them up together and paste these around. Make the eyes and all, and this will look beautiful. Here over a cylindrical roll like this, you have to attach the black sheet, and further you need to paste the sheets like this to make your ladybug ready. This is gonna look pretty cool, isn't it? Paste the dots and then the antennas on the top. Curl them up and then make a face. Pretty cool. Further here, get the red sheets. You need to attach them together and then make the eyes look like this. Further inside, you have to make the luscious apple look like this. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now here you have to get the heart-shaped patterns and then get them attached in this layer, and then the antennas as well, and then the pretty mini eyes, and your honeybee is ready. Further here, get a sheet. You need to curl them up from the corners in this way. Then you have to just tuck them up towards the corners and make it look like this, and further you have to get the layers in this form. Just beautifully secure them together, and then from in between you need to tie them up, and your beautiful butterfly is ready. Let's proceed to our next item. Here as well, you have to make the little snowmans in this manner, make the little expressions like this. Further, you have to get the white clay and attach them together, make the dots as if the snow is falling. Further here, get a sheet and then attach them together in this way. You have to beautifully arrange them in this pattern, and then from the corners you need to paste them together. You have to arrange them in layers like this, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now here, what are we up to? You just have to get the crumbs of sheets, arrange them in this pattern, get the layers beautifully arranged like this into this form. Now just get them together. Here what you have to do, you just have to paste them together on the top of it. Then get the leaf. For the leafy part, you have to get another sheet, and let's see what are we up to. You just have to get them beautifully secured and then just arrange it in this pattern and make it look like this. This is gonna look realistic, isn't it? Now here, get some more sheets in this manner and then get the layered cutouts in this way. You have to paste it on the top of it, and your dragon fruit is ready to go. Further, let's see, you have to make the dots all over it to make it a bit realistic and cool. Amazing, right? Now here, get a sheet, get the hearts pasted in this manner. On the top of it, you need to paste these strawberries and make it look like this. Now here, let's see, again get a sheet, fold them up and curl them up inside and get them arranged in this form. Get another one and you need to secure all of them together in this manner and make a layer like this. Then what you have to do, you just have to arrange the stick and put it on the top and get a bow pasted. Beautiful. Now here, get a leaf like this and then get the cuts from the corners and arrange them in this pattern further above and make the patterns look like this. Thank you.